This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve the air quality inside your vehicle and boost your heating and air conditioning system's efficiency. You will only need a few common tools, such as an 8mm socket, a ratchet, and a small pick or pocket screwdriver. Let's get started and make your vehicle's interior air much fresher. First, open your glove compartment and remove everything inside. On the right side, you will find a small dampener arm. Gently unhook it. Next, locate the retaining clips or screws that hold the glove box in place. These are typically found on the sides or bottom. Carefully push the tabs inward or remove the screws to allow the glove box to swing down and out of the way, revealing the filter housing. With the glove box removed, you will see the cabin air filter housing, usually a rectangular cover. This cover is often secured by one 8mm bolt. Use your socket and ratchet to remove this bolt, then carefully unclip and remove the cover. Inside, you will find one or two old, dirty cabin air filters. Gently pull these filters straight out of the housing, noting their orientation. Now take your new cabin air filter, S, and ensure the airflow arrow on the filter points downwards. Slide the new filter, S, into the housing. Replace the filter housing cover, securing it with the 8mm bolt. Finally, reinstall your glove box by reversing the removal steps, reattaching any clips or screws, and hooking the dampener arm back into place. Enjoy your cleaner, fresher cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.